Let me show you how I got 20 over 20 in the Canadian Citizenship Test. I will let you know that the pass mark is 15 and many people usually pass this test at their first try. So don't be afraid, you can do it. The Discover Canada book is sent to you and you can download it as a PDF. But I listened to it on Spotify, and on Spotify it had been divided into sections. You can also listen to it on YouTube if you want to. After doing that, the game changer for me was an app that some of my friends told me about. It's called the Canadian Citizenship Test, and it has so many practice questions for you to get familiar with the history of Canada. So I listened to the book, answered the practice questions, and I ensured that I was getting 100%. So I kept on trying until I was getting 100%, which meant that I was getting comfortable with the questions and answers. And the reason I'd done this is so that even if I don't know everything right, I can eliminate some answers just based on my previous knowledge. The exam has questions that all have multi-choice options. I studied for a week and then I used Spotify like I mentioned and the Canadian Citizenship Test application as mentioned above. And I would advise people to take the exam as soon as you feel prepared, because it kind of feels like the longer you wait, the more you have forgotten some things. I wish you all the best. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments.